I'm Brian Van, Sportbike and today we're going to break down the New Rage Cycles Ninja 400 mirror eliminator install on our 2018 Ninja 400 project bike. Yes, I'm actually doing a video on this very basic install. You're going to see that. You're just realistically removing the mirrors, reusing the fasteners, and installing these mirror eliminators. Very basic part here, low profile, tight to the body. The key points would be this. Be careful when you torque this down, okay? The windscreen has a spacer that goes in between the windscreen to take up the void in the hole. You want to make sure you don't have the windscreen sitting on top of that, sandwiched in between the mirror eliminator and the fairing bracket. If you do and you tighten it up, you can crack your windscreen. We're going to show you that. And the torque on these two, you don't need to go crazy. Kind of feel that torque that held on the OE mirror and just try and, reflect that when you tighten everything back down. These look cool. It's super basic. I want you to know it's a very basic part, very easy install, but the end result, it's pretty cool. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into this install. Very basic. I've got a 4mm T-handle. You could also use an Allen wrench. That's what you have. These are internal hex fasteners. Make sure you're supporting the mirror when you do this, okay? Because once you take the second one off, the mirror is it's going to come right off the bike. So support the mirror, get your fastener off like so. Super basic install. Anybody can handle this. This video is probably more about, just talking to you about the torque that you're going to use when you tighten this fastener. It's also important, don't get the windscreen pinched like that. Make sure that it's seated. Hold it down. Because if you have that windscreen pinched in between and you torque it down, very possibly you could crack the screen. You don't want to do that. Let's go ahead and get these started. The New Rage mirror eliminators, it's a pretty basic part. You can clearly see that. They mount very low profile, and that has been kind of the attraction to them. We did this on the R6, the 1718 R6, and those have sold pretty well. Okay, just kind of line it up, make sure we're good to go. You don't need a ton of torque here, just kind of mimic what you felt when you took the mirror off, like so. See, that does look pretty cool. Very stealth, all ready for a bar end mirror. Jump on over to the other side, repeat the process. And the other thing is too, just still images are not always the best way to represent the final product, right? And that's another reason, to take a few minutes and do this. So you just really get a sense for what this is going to look like on your bike before you pull the trigger. Like so. Looks real stealth, looks cool, low profile for sure. Like they were designed for the bike, cleans the look up quite a bit. Very basic install. This is the New Rage Cycles Ninja 400 Mirror Eliminator Kit. I'm Brian Van, Sportbike.